turned to the law when they ran in the trouble I'ma talk about. I don't care if the world try to swallow me. I turn my back to them, tell them don't follow me. I know you gon' label me a hater, but inside you are greater than the songs you create.
What's up, guys? Well, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a fantastic week. So I'm not sure if you noticed, but I broke my arm, and it's pretty painful. Man, I can't ever get a rest. But anyway, that's not the point of the video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing the FIDGET. Usually I just do unboxing videos, but this time I'm also gonna be reviewing the FIDGET also. So the FIDGET is like a cube that has different size you'll see in a minute. And it's for people with anxiety, ADHD, depression, and all that other stuff, you know, but mostly it's for ADHD and anxiety. So my dad's gonna be helping me out, open it. So let's get started. You ready? So I'm gonna be, trying it out, showing it, reviewing it. I have a lot of anxiety, so I hope this helps you out. It costs $22. My friend bought it for me, so I'm very thankful for him. And this is the real kind, the real brand. The brand is called FIDGET. They had a Kickstarter, and they made over like $7 million, and a $5 million around there. So I bought it from my friend bought it from them. I'll put the link in the description if you want one. So finally we're back after it took like 2 minutes to open it. So you see it has like a button sign. 2 of them missed down and 2 of them don't. No, actually 2 of them break down and 3 of them don't. Also the other side, it has like a joystick where you can move it. It's like a controller joystick. And here we have like a button flip. I don't know if you can hear it. And we have like a rubber, I don't know what it's for actually, but it says that it helps people with ADHD. It feels like rubber stone, something like that. And then we have like I don't know what they call it, but you can like turn it around. It has some pressure to it. It's like it feels like a mouse when you move it around. I don't know how to explain it really. And let me see what else. We have like a metal ball here where you can move it around also. It's pretty nice, it feels nice actually. And then we have, I don't know what these are called, they're like rotators or, it's like to open or like, but it feels interesting. I think there's one more side. Let me see. No, actually that's it. It's also side. My favorite one would probably be this one, or the barrel, or the joy, the joystick, I mean. So I'll be back in a couple hours. Because I want to do it like an official review. I can't review it right now because that would be unfair of a review. So I'll be back. So I'm back. It's been about an hour and a half. I've been playing with it and trying it out. And, when I review stuff, I print them out everything. I print them out the price, if I'm going to use it or not, if it's going to help me. Since I'm one-handed, I really like how small it is. What is it? What? $22? No. It's not. I really want to thank my friend for buying it for me. But it really isn't worth $22. you print them at it, it's like a fuse with this size and it has like different applications on it. Am I gonna use it though? Yeah, I'm gonna use it a lot because I have a lot of anxiety and I like pressing stuff and I like, you know, using feeling stuff or moving around stuff with my hands. I know you can find this for cheaper because the reason this is $22 is because it's the real brand that made it. But I bet you can find it for a lot cheaper on Amazon or eBay or maybe in Walmart. I give it a 6.5. If it was cheaper, it would be like a 9. But $22 is a lot of money if you think about it with this. So anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing and review this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe, please share, and please like. Peace.